Meaning of Laurence Olivier.
Laurence Olivier.
Laurence Olivier.
Laurence Olivier.
Laurence Olivier. Laurence Olivier was a renowned British actor and director who lived from 1907 to 1989. He was considered one of the greatest actors of the 20th century and was known for his powerful performances on stage and screen. Olivier appeared in many classic films, such as Wuthering Heights, Rebecca, and Spartacus, and also directed several acclaimed productions, including Henry V and Hamlet. In addition to his work in theatre and film, Olivier was also a respected Shakespearean scholar and served as the founding director of Britain's National Theatre.